Shipunov 2A42, Russian 30mm automatic cannon. Professional military analysis. Introduction. The Shipunov 2A42 is a 30mm gas-operated, belt-fed automatic cannon developed in the late 1970s by the KBP Instrument Design Bureau, Tula, Russia. Designed as a dual-feed, multi-role weapon system, it remains one of the most prolific medium-caliber autocannons in service today. Mounted on armored fighting vehicles, helicopters, naval systems, and remote weapon stations. Originally integrated into the BMP-2 Infantry Fighting Vehicle (IFV), the 2A42 has evolved into a versatile, battle-proven platform for both direct fire support and anti-air light armor engagement. Technical specifications. Designation: 2A42, GRAU Index, 2A42. Type: gas-operated automatic cannon. Caliber: 30 by 165 mm. Barrel length: 2,416 mm, 80.5 calibers. Weight: gun only -115 kilograms. Overall length: -3.03 meters. Rate of fire: selectable. Low: 200 to 300 rounds per minute. High: 550 to 800 rounds per minute. Muzzle velocity:
aalto-960 ms. He.
-1 120 ms, APT. Effective firing range. Ground targets: 1,500 to 2,000 meters. Aerial targets: low-flying -2 500 meters. Soft-skinned light-armored targets: penetration up to 25 mm RHA at 1,000 meters. Feed system: dual belt, electrically selectable feed, AP and HEI. Recoil: -35 kN, depending on firing mode. Elevation traverse: varies by platform integration, manual or powered turret. Ammunition types: 30 by 165 mm. APT, armor-piercing tracer. Penetrates light armored vehicles and APCs. 3 UBR-8 BP round standard. HEI, high explosive incendiary. Effective against infantry, fortifications, UAVs, and soft targets. 3 UF-8 shells in wide service. FAPDS, frangible armor-piercing discarding sabot. Rare use, high-velocity kinetic penetrators. Airburst, experimental. Under development or available via modern fire control systems. Key features and tactical advantages. Dual feed ammunition selector. Allows rapid switching between AP and HEI rounds, enabling flexible target engagement. Useful in mixed environments where infantry and light vehicles coexist. Selectable rate of fire. Provides controlled fire for suppression or high-volume bursts for target saturation. Reduces barrel wear and increases ammunition efficiency in sustained operations. High muzzle velocity and flat trajectory. Superior to Western 25mm autocannons, e.g., M242 Bushmaster, in kinetic energy. Ideal for line-of-sight engagements, even against moving vehicles and helicopters. Wide platform integration. Land, BMP-2, BMP-3, BTR-90, BMD-2, BMP-T Terminator. Air, Mi-28 Havoc, KA-5052 Black Shark and Alligator. Sea, light naval turrets, close-in weapon systems. Modern RWS, Kalashnikov's 3M47 Gibka, -220 million Australian dollars Baikal modules. Combat roles and applications. Anti-infantry, effective against entrenched infantry, lightly fortified positions, and dismounted troops. Anti-armor, light defeats armored personnel carriers, MRAPs, technical vehicles, and IFVs. Anti-air, capable of engaging low-speed helicopters, drones, and UAVs. Urban warfare, high maneuverability and selective fire rate make it ideal for close-quarters support. Suppressive fire, high volume, dual-feed fire capability offers area denial and vehicle suppression. The 2A42 offers superior versatility in rate of fire and dual-feed capability, with strong armor penetration against light targets, although it lags behind modern ABM-capable Western systems in smart munition integration. Limitations. No integrated ABM or airburst capability without fire control modernization. Limited armor penetration against MBTs or heavy IFVs with era. Older recoil mechanics produce greater vibration than modern chain guns. Manual fire control in legacy platforms reduces accuracy, barrel wear and thermal stress at sustained high rates of fire. Modernization and future use. Russia has fielded remotely operated turrets like -220 million Australian dollars, enabling the 2A42 to serve as a main armament on lighter vehicles. Digital fire control systems and thermal sights are being integrated for enhanced night and adverse weather performance. Potential pairing with UAVs or UGVs in combined arms robotic warfare. Despite its age, the 2A42 remains highly relevant in asymmetric warfare and low to medium intensity conflicts, where mobility, firepower, and multi-role capability are crucial. Operational history. Extensive use in Afghanistan, Chechnya, Syria, Ukraine. Deployed in urban combat, convoy ambushes, helicopter support, and fire suppression roles. Credited with high operational reliability under adverse combat conditions. Used by over 30 countries across former Soviet bloc, Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Conclusion. The Shipunov 2A42 is a battle-hardened, versatile autocannon that embodies the Russian doctrine of robust, dual-purpose firepower on light and medium platforms. With a high rate of fire, dual-feed flexibility, and widespread deployment across land and air systems, it continues to deliver reliable fire support in a variety of combat scenarios. Though technologically surpassed by some newer Western systems, the 2A42 remains a formidable and cost-effective solution in the evolving landscape of multi-domain warfare.